Welcome to our new playlist, Crypto for Beginners. In this playlist, we will take you on the complete journey from the very beginning of crypto to where it is today. We will also go through all the fundamentals of how the blockchain technology works and so on. Make sure to like and subscribe to don't miss out. Have you ever wondered how the digital currency revolution began? It all started with the birth of Bitcoin, a story that takes us back to 2008. In that year, a white paper was published by an enigmatic figure, or perhaps a group, known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. This white paper introduced the world to a revolutionary concept, a decentralized digital currency, free from the control of any government or institution. But what does it mean for a currency to be decentralized? At the heart of this is the idea that no single entity controls the digital currency. Instead, transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. This gives the power back to the people, providing a level of financial freedom never before seen. As 2008 turned into 2009, the theoretical concept Nakamoto proposed began to take physical form. On January 3rd, Nakamoto mined the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block. This marked the official launch of the Bitcoin network, and the first Bitcoin was created. This was a monumental moment, not just for Nakamoto, but for the entire world. Bitcoin was more than just a new form of currency. It represented a shift in thinking about what money could be. It was a challenge to the traditional financial systems that had been in place for centuries. With the mining of the Genesis block, the world was introduced to Bitcoin, and the digital currency era was born. This was just the beginning of a journey that would disrupt the financial world as we knew it, changing our views on money, transactions, and financial freedom forever. Bitcoin's journey from its birth to becoming the leading cryptocurrency is a thrilling one. After its inception in 2009, Bitcoin swiftly caught the eye of the mainstream, triggering a wave of attention unlike anything seen before in the financial sphere. This groundbreaking digital currency brought with it a rollercoaster of price fluctuations, soaring to unimaginable heights before plummeting into deep troughs, only to rise again. Regulatory scrutiny was a constant companion on Bitcoin's journey. Governments and financial institutions worldwide were thrown into a frenzy, grappling with the implications of this new, decentralized form of money. They faced the challenge of regulating an entity that was designed to resist central authority, sparking a global debate about the future of finance and monetary systems. Yet, even as it weathered regulatory storms, Bitcoin was also a catalyst for technological advancements. The blockchain technology underpinning Bitcoin was revolutionary, introducing concepts like decentralized finance and smart contracts, which have since become integral to the digital economy. In the face of these challenges, Bitcoin proved resilient. It not only survived, but thrived, becoming the leading cryptocurrency and a pioneer in a new era of digital finance. And it didn't stop there. Bitcoin's success inspired a flurry of innovation, leading to the creation of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each with their own unique features and use cases. From Ethereum's smart contracts to Litecoin's faster block generation, these new digital currencies took the foundations laid by Bitcoin and built upon them. They expanded the possibilities of what could be achieved with blockchain technology, pushing the boundaries of the digital world. Despite the ups and downs, Bitcoin has managed to hold its ground, becoming a beacon in the world of cryptocurrencies. Its journey is a testament to the power of innovation and the potential for technology to reshape our world. And with every new development, every rise and fall, Bitcoin continues to write its story, a story that is far from over. Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a tool that's changing the way we view and handle money. Let's delve into the varied uses of Bitcoin, shall we? Firstly, Bitcoin operates as digital cash. This allows for direct peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Each transaction is recorded on a public ledger known as the blockchain. This ensures transparency and trust in the system. Next, Bitcoin is often likened to digital gold. It serves as a store of value, offering protection against inflation. This is because the supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, creating scarcity similar to precious metals. Then there's the advantage of borderless transactions. Bitcoin facilitates seamless cross-border transactions, reducing the need for costly currency conversions. Whether you're in Tokyo or Timbuktu, you can send and receive Bitcoin with ease. But it's not just about convenience. Bitcoin also opens up financial services to the unbanked. All you require is an internet connection and a device. This is a game changer for regions with limited access to traditional banking. Moreover, Bitcoin serves as a hedge against fiat currency risk. In times of economic instability, Bitcoin can offer a safe haven, much like gold has done in the past. Lastly, Bitcoin embodies the principle of decentralization. It operates on a decentralized network, reducing the risk of censorship, fraud, and single points of failure. This is a fundamental shift away from traditional centralized financial systems. So you see, Bitcoin's versatility and innovative technology have opened doors to new ways of conducting financial transactions, and it's only the beginning. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a revolution, a new way of thinking about money and financial freedom. And this, my friends, is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore in the world of cryptocurrencies. The influence of Bitcoin extends beyond its users. It's shaping our world in ways we couldn't have imagined. Bitcoin's impact has been pervasive, sparking transformations in a multitude of sectors, including finance, technology, and even the social fabric of our societies. In the world of finance, Bitcoin has challenged traditional banking systems, offering an alternative, decentralized form of currency that operates independently of central banks. This has led to a radical shift in how we perceive and handle money, with Bitcoin providing financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations of the world. Moreover, Bitcoin's underlying technology, the blockchain, has been adopted across a variety of industries, becoming the backbone of numerous innovative projects. From supply chain management to digital identity verification, blockchain's secure and transparent nature has proven to be a game changer. On a social level, Bitcoin has ignited conversations about financial sovereignty and privacy, pushing us to rethink the control we have over our own assets. In a world increasingly concerned with data privacy and security, Bitcoin offers a promise of autonomy and freedom from centralized control. But it's not just about the finance and technology sectors. Bitcoin's influence has permeated the cultural zeitgeist. It's become a symbol of a new era, a digital revolution that's transforming how we interact with money and technology. From digital art markets powered by non-fungible tokens or NFTs to the rise of decentralized finance or DeFi applications, Bitcoin's impact can be felt in every corner of our digital lives. Yet, as with any revolution, Bitcoin's journey hasn't been without controversy. From concerns about its environmental impact to debates about its regulatory status, Bitcoin continues to be a hot topic of discussion. But one thing is clear: Bitcoin is here to stay, and its influence is only set to grow. From finance to technology, Bitcoin's influence is far-reaching, changing the world one block at a time. The journey of Bitcoin, from its birth to its current influence, is a testament to the power of innovation and decentralization. In our exploration today, we've embarked on a fascinating journey, traveling from the birth of Bitcoin in 2008 to its current standing as a trailblazer in the world of digital currencies. We've seen how this ingenious concept, introduced by the elusive Satoshi Nakamoto, has evolved from an abstract idea into a tangible asset with significant global impact. We delved into the history of Bitcoin, highlighting its milestones, challenges, and triumphs. We saw how it weathered regulatory scrutiny, significant price fluctuations, and technological advancements to emerge as the leading cryptocurrency. Its journey served as a blueprint for the creation of thousands of other digital currencies, each with its own unique characteristics and use cases. Speaking of use cases, we also explored some of the fundamental applications of Bitcoin, from enabling peer-to-peer transactions and cross-border payments to serving as a hedge against fiat currency risk and promoting financial inclusion. Bitcoin's versatility extends beyond being just a currency. It's a tool for empowerment, a shield against economic instability, and a catalyst for financial innovation. We also discussed Bitcoin's impact, not just on the financial sector, but on various aspects of our lives. It's not just about investment and wealth creation. Bitcoin's influence reaches far and wide, fostering technological innovation, disrupting traditional business models, and even reshaping societal norms. So that was the very beginning of this crypto journey. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will take you through the complete history and turn you into a crypto expert before you know it. See you soon, and until then, stay crypto.